In this video, we're going to talk about how you can withdraw cash from Bank of America without a card. So this is going to be the new digital wallet feature, or not so new at this point, but we'll have to set up a digital wallet first. So we will have to add our Bank of America cards to our digital wallet. If you need any help, you can click on this article. Then we can just shop and we can look for our preferred logo at checkout. And when you're ready to buy, you can simply click on and log in with your ID to pay. Now, how to get cash without your card? Adding your debit card to your digital wallet means you can get cash using your phone. So all we have to do is just select the card in our wallet and hold your phone over the contactless symbol at any Bank of America ATM. And that's how you can withdraw money from your card, or you can withdraw from Bank of America without using your card. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.